हेलो गाइस, वेलकम टू आवर चैनल स्टडी पॉइंट। आज हम 1000 MCQ सीरीज़ पार्ट 9 डिस्कस करेंगे ऑन कंप्यूटर अवेयरनेस पे। ये MCQ आपको डिफरेंट कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्ज़ाम में हेल्प करेंगे, लाइक JK SSB, SBI, RBI, IBPS, PO, RRB, LIC, SSC एंड अदर कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्ज़ाम। वीडियो स्टार्ट करने से पहले आपसे कहना चाहता हूँ, प्लीज़ मेरा चैनल लाइक, शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब करें। चलो वीडियो स्टार्ट करते हैं। Which field type will you select if you need to enter long text in that field? Memo. Next question. The expression builder is an access tool that control on expression dash for entering an expression. Right answer is box. Which of the following is not a type of MS Access database object? वर्कशीट, ये MS Excel का होता है। The size of yes or no field is always dash 1 bit. The size of a field with number data type cannot be dash 16. How can you edit a relationship already established between two tables? both of the दोनों तरीके से हम कर सकते हैं। Which of the following option creates a drop cap list of values? Look wizard. What can be the maximum length of a text field? 255. Which kind of query that display its own dialog box prompting you for entering information before executing? Right answer is parameter query. What is a form that we can create in MS Access? It is an input screen for viewing and entering. Which operator is used to filter and display rows when all two or more conditions are satisfied? Call. The dash pattern on the toolbox display data from a related table. While creating a relationship using mouse, how the mouse pointer look like? An outline rectangular. The column in MS Access tables are also called field. This data type allow alphanumeric character and special symbol. Text. Query design window has two parts. The upper part shows table with field and a relationship between tables. In a database table, the category of information is called field. Right answer is C, field. Which of the following is not a database object? A relationship. In one to many relationship, the table in one side is called dash and on many side is called dash. Right answer is A, parent and child. This is the stage in database design where one gather and list all the necessary field for the database project. Data definition. The size of a field with number data type cannot be 16. The size of yes no field is always 1 bit. The key uniquely identifies each record is dash primary key to create a relationship between two tables. Right answer C. Drag the primary key of a table into foreign key of another table. Which field type will you select when creating a new table if you require to enter long text in that file in that field? Right answer is C. Memo. Which of the following is not a type of relationship that can be applied in Access database? All of the above. Which of the field has width 8 bytes? Currency, memo, hyperlink, data slash time. Right answer is D. Data slash time. Which of the following is a view to display a data in MS Access? Right answer is C. Both A and B. Which of the following database object hold data? Right answer is B. Table.